Okay, guys, just finished the analysis on euro dollar. It's in the Discord already for you to check out, and it is a buy. Now, how good a buy is it? Well, that's the question, isn't it? So, what we're looking at is it's not particularly strong. You're looking like maybe it's a 5-pip move, something like that, to the upper side. No, it is Monday, which is a bad day historically to trade anyway. All we're going to do is we're going to do a 5-pip trade. Now, why is that? Well, let's have a quick look at this and we'll kind of explain it. So we are buying, but the big time frames, anything could happen. It's a C grade, so therefore it's kind of okay. Could be better, could be worse, but it's not bad. All right, it's risky, and it's saying it's 3 pips minimum. Okay, now we've just gone into target now, and what we can see is here the daily ATR is 41. Now the euro is considerably stronger than the US, giving it pressure to the upper side. The US has fell off the cliff and the euro's gained ground. So to me, it's a buy all day sort of thing. So I'm quite happy with that. It's gone into market, as we can see. Now if I drop this out to the hourly, we can see it's pushed heavily up and it's had a go at this level already. Okay. Now that means it could easily come back against this, but huge candles pushing up, lots of pressure. For it to go and retest this is not out of the realms of possibility. Okay, so what I can do now is I can keep an eye on this and I can look for some extra entry exits and scale into it, probably down to about this red line here. From that red line, I'll bounce it back up to the top. Now, on the 15-minute, you'll see that a bit clearly. Pump, thought about it, pump, it's thinking about it, we're looking for the next pump, okay? But we want to get as many orders in as we can to get back up. But I'd not envision it, I don't want it to go much past there. That's the take profit point. So it's a very simple trade. You'll see extra orders coming in, and then hopefully we'll make some money. Okay, guys, let's play this one out. Okay, guys, that's just closed out. Push. Need to take our tickets off. We'll get rid of that. And then there you go. Now, 138 quid on a day that I don't like to trade. Now, I did the DAX earlier on, and this one I've just done for Andre and the group, so it's a little salute to you. And also Rob, who was looking at this sort of thing. Now, I try and do the most I can for the guys. A lot of what it is just basically sitting on your hands. The trade itself was pretty simple. You know, it's been pushing up, came down, stayed between the range, and then pushed back up into it. Simple stuff. Once you've got your direction in place, you just need a reason to go to market. And then once you've got that reason to go to market, in this case, it looked like it was going to be a breakout to the upper side, which it came. But just put your toe in the water a little bit. And then when it inevitably pushes back against you, because it does it all the time, you can capitalize on that. And then you'll get a better profit. And that's what I've just done. Now, I know a lot of people don't understand that, and they probably never will. But it suits my way of trading down at the ground. And it's a sensible way of trading, because it reduces exposure into the stop, but it increases the upside to the take profit. And you don't have to move either of them. You have a fixed stop, fixed take profit, and you can capitalize on the entire movement. So there you go, kids. It's just done for consistency. We did start the weekender. I finished that 7% up over the Saturday and the Sunday. So I'm happy with that. I'll look at it again next Saturday. It's ideal for when you're just working around a day job and you just commit yourself to a couple of days on the weekend. The markets are slow, so you've got to sort of take that into account. But that's perfect for a beginner, because when the markets are very fast, the adrenaline can run and you might get your quick profits, but you will definitely get quick losses because you'll get overexcited and you'll want to be in and out of the markets like a machine gun. Well, that's just a recipe for disaster, guys. So that's it, all done. If you're stuck, drop on my website, scruffytrader.com. You see who I am, what I'm about, but more importantly, my contact details are there, and they're the only contact details I respond to. There's a lot of copycats out there pretending to be me. Trust me, it's not. I never contact anybody. So if somebody sends you a message, it ain't me unless you've sent it to me first. Okay? So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love. And the money will. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got Seed Trader. And you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.